We represents the 6 best white noise machine review 2019. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. Electrofan. Thanks to its electronically generated, non-repeating white noise options, which sound a bit like soft static, it worked as well as or better than the 5 other tested machines at masking squalling cats, barking dogs, and snoring roommates. Number 2. Marpak Dom DS. If you prefer an old-fashioned, low-tech machine that produces more subtle noises, this model is a good option. Whereas the Electrofan sounds a bit like a loud shish or static, the Dom DS generates noises that are more like what you hear when holding a seashell or a cupped hand over your ear. Number 3. MyNoise. If you need a white noise machine only occasionally, such as when you travel, you may be satisfied with a smartphone app. We love the free MyNoise app for both iOS and Android, because it offers a customizable medley of white noise tones. Number 4. Marpak Hush White Noise Sound Machine. This is the top-rated portable white noise machine, and affordable. The lightweight machine, just 3.5 inches across and 3.8 ounces, includes options for bright white noise, deep white noise, and gentle ocean sounds. Number 5. Hatch Baby Rest Nightlight. It connects to your smartphone, iPhone or Android, and allows you to coordinate your entire family's sleep schedule, combining a nightlight, soothing sound machine, and time-to-rise phone alert in one system. You can control the light and sounds remotely with a tap of your phone, or set automated times for them to turn on, so no more tiptoeing around a sleepy baby. Number 6. Homedics Sound Spa Sleep Sound Machine. Many parents use this to improve their own sleep as well as their babies'. This model includes 6 options for digitally recorded white noise and nature sounds, including thunder, brook, rain, and ocean. It's highly portable and lightweight and can be plugged in using an adapter or run on batteries.